Hey guys, ever wanted to turn your photos into a beautiful Ghibli-style masterpiece? Well, guess what? You don't need any fancy apps, just ChatGPT. And yes, even the free version works. Let me show you how. First, open your browser and go to chatgpt.com. Just to prove it, I'm using the free version here. Now tap the plus button, select Photo Library, and upload your photo. Once it's uploaded, type this magic prompt. Turn this photo into Studio Ghibli style. Hit send and wait a few minutes. And boom! Your photo is now transformed into a stunning Ghibli-style artwork. Click on the image, download it, and you're all set. So, what do you think? Try it out and let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cool tricks. See ya!